Person of interest in Dr Lynvale Bloomfield's murder investigation arrested again.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The person of interest, who was taken into custody on Wednesday, February 13, in the Buff Bay area of the parish, in relation to the stabbing death of Eastern Portland Member of Parliament, Dr Lynvale Bloomfield, is back in police custody. According to investigators, scientific evidence has linked the 21-year-old person of interest to the crime scene. Investigators had reported that the person of interest had revealed that he had a close relationship with the slain Member of Parliament. The 59-year-old two-term Member of Parliament's naked body was found lying face down, with his head partially underneath the bed, in his room about 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, February 2nd. The police recovered 2 knives and a blooded vest, which were all sent to the government forensic lab for testing. A post-mortem examination report revealed that Dr. Bloomfield had been stabbed a total of 20 times.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.